purchased these Beetles gel polish, and I wanted to share this with you guys. Anyways, this is the Beetle gel polish, brighten your style, perfect 20 gel polishes, 5 mil, and that is the low smell, and it's the non-toxic free gel, and no harm to the skin. And it's got the base gel, top gel, wow, I cannot talk, matte top gel, and the 20 colors. Oh, it's got the directions and a warning, the storage, and the ingredients, guys. So to show you what's all in here. Okay, well, I guess it opens up like that. And there's the inside of the box. Oh, look at this. I am going to swatch these for you guys today. So let's get all these out for you guys. And I'll be right back to show you what all I got in here. These bottles of the base gel and the matte top coat and the top it off top gel, these are all bigger. These are 7.5 mil. Now the way I like to swatch these little things is I do one full coat, I cure, and then I'll do half the nail with the second coat. So you'll see what it's like with the first coat, and you'll see what it's like with the second coat. Now this is the 325, and this is the white. Now with your whites, you do want to put your whites on with a thin layer of your polishes, your gel polishes, so that way it doesn't have a greater chance of puckering. Now 326 is like looks like a pink from the top of the bottle. Oh, it is a pink. It's a beautiful pink too. Okay, let's get this one on here. Now 327. Oh, look at this color. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh my gosh, I love orange, and this is like a corally orange to me. Now 328 is that color. More of like, looks like kind of like a burnt red on the top anyway. Oh no, it's an orange, guys, and it's a beautiful orange. Now, normally you would put base coat on your nails, but since I'm doing this on the little swatches, I'm not gonna use the base coat on here. But when I do my nails, I am gonna pick a color from this set to do my Christmas nails. Next is 329. Let's check this one out. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I had to try Beetles because I've never used Beetles before, so this was like a purpley pink to me. Of course, you make a mess. Don't do this. I'm going to, but next one is 330, and it looks like a red. Oh, it is a red. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, if you're new here, I greatly appreciate you coming to my channel, and we will have fun. And if you've been here with me, I so appreciate you as well. I appreciate everybody. I'm almost to 100, guys. I can't believe it. So yes, I appreciate you. So if you're new and you're watching the video, please go like and subscribe at the bottom with where it says red subscribe. Hit that. Hit the like button with the thumbs up, and share, and leave me a comment down below what you think of this video. Well, this one's a brown, guys, and this one is the 331. Oh, this is pretty brown. I don't have too many browns in my gel polishes. This is a pretty chocolate brown. Oh wow, that went on so smooth. This next one is 332. It looks like a pink too. Oh my God, this pink is gorgeous. All have too many pinks like this either. It's like a cover pink, sorta. Yes, it is. It's like a cover pink. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm curing these in this little tiny lamp, so I might have to do these and then do the second, coat off camera. And the third one is number 333. That's this one. This is more like a periwinkle blue. Oh yeah, it is beautiful. Okay, let's get this one. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, guys. And I got the little tiny bottles because I wanted to sample a lot of their colors. And this one is 334. Oh, look at that blue. That's gorgeous too. I'm loving all these colors so far. And they come on so smooth. I'm loving this. And next one is 335. And it looks like a purple. Or, no, blue. Dark blue? Yeah. Deep blue. Yeah. That's what it is. Oh, this blue is scrumptious too, guys. And this is 336. Yes, this one is either a dark blue, deep blue, or a purple. Oh, it's a blue too. Look at that. The next one is 337. It looks like a yellow. Oh, it is a yellow. Ooh, it's a bright yellow too. Kind of like a mustard yellow. Yeah. Like a yellow mustard. Alrighty, the next one is 338, and it looks like a dark green. Like a hunter green or a forest green. Or just a green. This is beautiful. Next one is 339. Oh, and now this one is the purple. Look at that purple. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Wow. 340. This one looks interesting. Look. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a glitter. Silver glitter. Look. Are you seeing that? This one's probably the gold because it kind of looks like it on top. And this one's 341. Look. Scrumptious. Okay, oh, look at that. That gold is just beautiful. 342. Looks like a purple. Oh no, it's like a maroon. Oh, look. Like a reddish maroon. Scrumptious. Now 343, it looks like a gray. Oh, it is a gray. Yay. Oh, that's pretty. Next one is 344. Oh, and it's a black. Yes, it's a black. Now, with your black too, you want to put those on thin because they will pucker as well as a white. I'm not sure how these work because, like I said, I've never had Beetles polish. Okay, I got them all top coated with the matte on this side and the shiny top coat on this side, and there's this half with 2 coats and this half with 1 coat. turned out gorgeous. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what the matte top coat looks like. And that's this consistency of the matte. If you can see that. Okay. So I'm going to take the gray one. And yes, I put too much product on there. It's not puckering because of the product. It puckered because I put way too much on there. So I'm going to do this side with the matte and cure it for the gray and the black. I figured I'd show you on the gray and the black what they look like, because the matte looks gorgeous. Almost looks like it's velvet to me. Okay, that's the matte side. And that's that, the matte. And this is the top coat. First, I'm going to show you this base coat consistency. It's pretty thick. So yeah. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the matte side. And I don't feel any sticky layer on it. So, I mean, you're not supposed to, I don't think, but there's the matte side. Side of the black. Okay, now I'm going to do the shiny top coat on this side. I don't want to put too much because I'll make it bubble again, or pucker, as you call it. Ready? There's the gray one. The consistencies of these two. Okay, I'm going to cure that. And I wanted to show you what also comes with this. It's a application guide from Beetles, and it's got the steps from 1 through 12 on what you need to do on prepping your nails and whatnot, and it shows you how to apply everything. And it's got a few facts, answers, and questions. So there's that. And then it's got how do I remove the product. It tells you how to do that and some helpful tips. And that's it on that. That's what comes with it. Is the shiny top coat and the matte top coat. This is the second look. This one has a second layer of the gray, the top doesn't. And here's the black. There's the shiny top coat side and the matte top coat side. So you can see that. Okay. Well guys, I greatly appreciate you being here, and on my next video we will be doing a design on my nails. So yeah, I greatly appreciate y'all being here. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye guys.